The food police are coming, and they're coming in hot. Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. Today I am at Walmart. I did go to Aldi last week, so if you missed that haul, I actually just posted it today. Typically my grocery hauls are about a week behind just because that's how I have to do things to be able to get them edited and posted for you guys to watch one every week. So today I'm at Walmart. I do not have any, well, I hardly ever have kids with me. I don't know why I'm saying that. It's nice that my kids are older now, and it's not that they can stay home alone, but Adam typically stays home with them while I go grocery shopping. And this morning he is actually golfing, and they spent the night last night at their grandparents' house. So I'm flying solo as per usual, and this week, sorry, the lighting is not being my friend today. This week I'm actually going out of town for work, so I'm leaving tomorrow morning. I think my flight is at 10, and I don't get back until 6 p.m. on Friday, and so I'm really trying to pick up convenience items this week. If you watch my hauls, you know that I normally get a mix of a lot. I do tend to buy, you know, a fair amount of produce. I also do buy convenience foods because I'm a full-time working mom, and you know, we all have to do what we have to do. But usually when I'm out of town, you know, Adam likes quick things that he can make the kids, and he's not going to spend, you know, 30 minutes or an hour cooking dinner in the kitchen like I would. I enjoy it. He doesn't. I mean, not that he doesn't enjoy cooking, but he's just not going to do it every night while I'm gone. And so there will be a tad more processed foods in this haul than there normally is. But anyway, I'm gonna go inside and grab my groceries, and I will let you know what I get when I get home. So here is a look at everything I picked up at Walmart. I spent a little less than $200. I think it was like $192 or something like that. I did get one clothing item for Kira and some non-food items, so I'll show you everything that I got. If you are ready for this processed food special, because the food police are coming, and they're coming in hot. All right, so did not get too much produce this week, mostly just fruit and a couple veggies to cut up for Adam and the kids to have. We do still have oranges, apples, lettuce, and some other produce in the refrigerator. So I did get one yellow onion. That's for the lasagna that I'm gonna make this evening. I also got a package of kiwis. Kira really loves these, and she actually wrote them on my grocery list, which I thought was cute. So I'll probably prep some of these today, just get them cut up and into some containers for them to have this week. I grabbed some grapes. I will wash these up. Someone was commenting, and I'm sorry, I can't remember your name, but we were talking in the comments a couple weeks ago about the price of grapes. And every once in a while around here I can find grapes for 99 cents a pound, but today these were $2.48 a pound, and this was over 2 pounds, so I paid like $5 something for this little package of grapes, which I think is ridiculous, but I like to wash these and have them in the refrigerator as quick snacks for the kids. I just got 1 pound of strawberries this week since I got so many kiwis, and some bananas. I'm gonna make some peanut butter banana muffins today for the kids to have this week, so I tried to pick a few that were riper. I got 1 cucumber, 1 package of cherry tomatoes. Adam and Connor really like these, so as long as I wash them up and put them in the fridge, they'll eat those this week. I grabbed 1 Simply Orange. Kira and I were talking about orange juice yesterday. We were at a baby shower and they had mimosas, and I was like, do you want some orange juice? And she's like, I don't like orange juice, it has pulp in it. And I'm like, but I usually buy the pulp-free kind. She's like, oh, I didn't know that. So I don't know, maybe she'll try this, maybe she won't, but I did get the pulp-free. And then I also just got half a gallon of 2% milk for if they need it for cereals this week or mac and cheese or whatever. Okay, so when I'm out of town, one of the things that I like to make sure that I stock the fridge up on is like cold cuts and things to make sandwiches, since that's something that Adam can easily make the kids, or Kira can even make her own lunch if she wants to. I got some of the Sargento sharp cheddar sticks. Normally I get the Walmart brand, but these were on an Ibotta rebate, and I think you get like $1.25 back. So if you guys aren't familiar with Ibotta, and I know those of you who watch my hauls probably get tired of me saying this, but I'll just briefly say it's a grocery rebate app that you can get cash back on a lot of things that you can buy at Walmart, Hy-Vee, Target, Walgreens. There's a lot of different stores. So I'll leave a link in the description box where you can download the app. And I've been using it for several years and I have made over $2,000. So it's legit. Typically what I do is I convert the gift cards into Amazon, or I convert the earnings into Amazon gift cards, and then anytime I order stuff on Amazon, which is like several times a week it seems like, then that just gives me credit there. So okay, the pepperoni panino, Kira really loves these and I haven't bought them in a few weeks, so I grabbed those for her. These are a little bit pricey, and I know we've had conversations before about making these ourselves. I feel like I could make these myself. I did not want to wait at the deli today for the large pepperoni, but I may try doing that sometime. They did have the pre-sliced meats and cheeses, so I just got half a pound of the Black Forest ham, half a pound of yellow American cheese. For lasagna tonight, I grabbed some mozzarella cheese that was shredded. And then I'm going to make some homemade pizza Lunchables for the kids. They really like those, and I honestly think they're probably better than the regular pizza Lunchables. So I'm going to do some meal prep with those today. I grabbed some turkey. Kira loves to have turkey and pepperoni sandwiches. And then Adam loves the ham and cheese loaf. I think last time I bought this, a lot of you guys told me that you haven't had it in forever. So I grabbed some of that for him. Okay, yogurt. Kira loves the blueberry Noosa yogurt, so I grabbed a couple of these for her to have for breakfast this week. We do have some more orange yogurt. Connor likes the orange cream yogurt that I get, like the Great Value brand, and we still have some of that in the refrigerator. We were out of maraschino cherries, so I grabbed a replacement for that. They will be having fish sandwiches one night this week. My kids really love those, and we don't hardly ever have them. Adam likes tartar sauce on his, and I think it was Fallon. Yeah, it was Fallon from Moss Family TV. She was saying that the Great Value tartar sauce is really good, so I thought we would give that a try. She says it kind of tastes like the tartar sauce from Long John Silver's, which I have not been to Long John Silver's in forever. We used to have one in the town where I live. I love their chicken. It's so unhealthy, but it's so good. And then you get like the hush puppies and the little crunchies. Tell me if you guys have tried Long John Silver's. It's so unhealthy. Okay, Wisps, the cheddar cheese crisps. I did pick up a package of these. I have never seen the snack packs before. So these are the cheddar ones. Sometimes I buy the Parmesan ones. Since I'm going out of town this week, I'm always looking for snacks that I can throw in my bag that don't need refrigerated. So that's something that's hard for me when I travel, is normally during the week when I'm at work, if I'm eating a snack, it's like yogurt, or like I'll bring veggies and hummus, or veggies and dip, or cheese stick and crackers, or something like that. But when I'm traveling, obviously I don't have access to a refrigerator like I do at work. So I thought I would pick up these. I do have also some beef sticks in the pantry that I got from Boxed that don't need to be refrigerated. So when I do my meal prep today, I'll be sort of making up some of those snack packs for me to take with me this week. Typically what I do is I just put them in my regular suitcase that I check, and then once I get to the hotel, I'll keep them in the hotel room, obviously, and then just throw something in my laptop bag every day when I go to my class. Okay, so for the homemade pizza Lunchables, I got some Townhouse pita crackers. I normally like to get the round pita crackers. They did not have any of those at Walmart. It doesn't really matter, obviously, they're a different shape, but Aldi has the round ones, and so does Trader Joe's, but Walmart just had these. I saw Leanne from Grady's Mom. If you guys don't follow her YouTube channel, go check it out. She posts videos similar to mine. She said that these were pretty good. She said they were different, and they are Triscuit wheatberry clusters with pumpkin seeds and sweet corn. I really love Triscuits, so I thought I would give those a try. I grabbed some French onion dip for some plain potato chips that I got. I got this last week, or 2 weeks ago maybe. It's the Great Value Raspberry Lemonade, the sugar-free water flavor, and the kids and Adam all really like this, so I went ahead and got another one. These are like the Mio, you know, there's cheaper than that. This is like less than $2. I grabbed 1 jar of tomato sauce for the lasagna tonight. I have tried the Great Value pasta sauce before. I wouldn't say it's my favorite, but it's honestly not bad. For 88 cents for this whole jar of pasta sauce, that's pretty darn good. Okay, I almost didn't show this because I know the food police are going to be rolling up here any moment, but have you so I was going to get the kids some SpaghettiOs, because normally, like, when I'm gone, They actually like it. They don't like it that I'm gone when I travel, but like they always give me crap about it because they're like, we love the food that Daddy fixes us when you leave. Because they get like fish sandwiches, ravioli, SpaghettiOs, stuff like that. And okay, so I have never bought a can this big of ravioli. See, it's like almost as big as my head. But I remember when I was a kid, at my dad's house, he would make this for us. There was me, my sister, and my stepbrother. And actually, I can remember having this like for supper, like for dinner. Like we would dump 2 huge cans of these raviolis into a pan, heat it up, and then have like canned green beans, and that was our dinner. Like I would never, obviously I'm giving this to my kids this week, or Adam's going to, but like on a regular basis, we had that. Like I would never even think to do that for dinner, but we had it when I was a kid, and look, here I am, still alive, slightly overweight, or overweight, maybe a lot overweight, still alive. So I got that. Just because I thought the huge can was funny. And then I got a can of SpaghettiOs with meatballs also. So typically, like, if they have this for dinner, they'll have this with, like, veggies, like raw veggies with ranch and fruit and maybe some cut up cheese or something. I don't know. Carry on. Okay, next I got the Capri Sun Roaring Waters. The kids like these to drink and also to put in their lunches if they take lunch to summer camp. This was also when I bought a rebate, and I tried these a couple weeks ago. They're actually pretty good. They don't necessarily taste like Dr. Pepper. They're called Sweet and Sassy baked beans, but they were still good. I got some pizza sauce. This is my favorite brand, the Classico, for the pizza Lunchables. Every once in a while I get Adam some of these nacho cheese cups. You can put them in the microwave. He likes to eat them with chips. I grabbed some Nutella because we were running low on that. A dozen eggs, and then this was also, and I bought a rebate, 2 packages of the applesauce, the Go-Go Squeeze. I got the apple strawberry and the apple cinnamon for the kids. I like to keep these in the refrigerator. They are much more likely to eat them if they're cold for some reason. I don't know. Okay, buns. So I got buns for the fish sandwiches, and then buns for hot dogs because I think they might make hot dogs one night. And then I also got Adam some English muffins. He likes to have English muffins for breakfast. Like sometimes, like this morning, he ate one with peanut butter and jelly. Sometimes also he will make a breakfast sandwich like with egg and ham and cheese. And then these are new. I've seen them, but I have not tried them yet. Apparently they're just like the little mini Nutri-Grain bars. This also had a rebate, and so I figured I would try them. It's a little bit pricey. Well, I guess there's 10 pouches in there, and it was $5, so I don't know. I figured I'd get it for the kids for a treat. They do like the normal Nutri-Grain bars, either like the Nutri-Grain brand or the Aldi brand or the Walmart brand, so I thought I'd just give these a try. It just looks like there's little bites of them. I got some Blue Moon, so maybe we'll have a couple brewskis this afternoon after Adam gets home from golf. I grabbed some garlic Texas toast for dinner tonight with the lasagna, a package of chicken nuggets for them to have for dinner this week. We like to cook these in the air fryer. They come out super crispy. And then I also grabbed the kids as a treat some popsicles. These are the Sour Patch Kids. I've gotten these once before and they really like them. Kira really likes these sausage and buttermilk biscuits. She can make these for breakfast on her own. She just heats them up in the microwave. So I grabbed those for her. Connor really likes to have waffles sometimes for breakfast. So I grabbed some of the strawberry ones. We haven't had those in a while. And then here is the fish that I normally buy for fish sandwiches. So Adam will probably either cook this in the oven or maybe, well, actually he'll probably do it in the air fryer. And then they just have it on buns. The kids like theirs with like ketchup and pickles. Adam will put tartar sauce on him. So there you go. Healthy dinner. I grabbed some plain potato chips for the French onion dip. And then the last food, I guess I got some strawberry sparkling water. But the last food item is some Totino's party pizzas. So I got cheese and pepperoni because it's going to be a party. Mom's gone this week. So here's all the non-food stuff that I got. I did have to go over to the automotive section to get something, or to get some air fresheners, and I saw this Turtle Wax Spray and Wipe. So it looks like it comes actually with a spray bottle in here, and this is just a protectant, like to wipe off your dash and stuff, and then the cloths in here are actually dry. And it looks like you spray it and then wipe them off, which is nice, because a lot of times if you buy this kind of stuff for, you know, wiping down your car, these dry out before you can get a chance to use them. So I thought that was kind of cool. And then I got 2 packages of these Refresh. These are just the sticks that you put on your car vents. So Adam can have one and I can have one. Okay, so I'm giving my nails a rest right now. Normally I do get like the gel or the shellac, but I took it off the other night. I'm just going to paint it a regular color. So I got this Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. This is the Pinky Promise. So I'm probably going to have to paint my nails today before I leave for town, or leave for travel tomorrow. I picked Kira up some deodorant. She was out of regular deodorant, and then I actually keep one of these in my purse. If you guys haven't tried these, they're pretty cool. It's like a deodorant on the go. But I got this for her because she often is like going to friends' houses or swimming, and this way she can just throw this in her like swim bag and keep it in there. I also got her this romper. I don't know if she's gonna like it, but I thought it was really cute. So we'll see when she gets home, but I don't know. See, she's kind of weird about clothes sometimes. Like, she doesn't want to wear tank tops. She doesn't want to wear skirts. She normally just likes to wear like t-shirt and shorts. So I'll see if she'll try it on and give it a try. I got Adam some shaving cream. He was out of that. And then also some aftershave lotion. I just got the Gillette Sensitive Skin. I also grabbed him some shampoo. He just uses the regular Head & Shoulders Classic. This was also on a rebate, and it's just the Cottonelle wipes. And then lastly, I got some pans. So if you guys haven't tried these, they do have them at my Walmart. They say that they're takeout pans, but I actually like to use these for freezer meals, for like a smaller freezer meal. Usually the freezer meal pans that I get from Costco are like 2 times this size, but this is perfect to do like a lasagna for our family, or even if you're gonna take, food to somebody. I've frozen stuff in this to take to my grandparents and stuff like that, but I really like them. I think they're a nice size. They do come with the lids, but obviously you don't want to put the lid in the oven. You want to take it off and use foil. So I grabbed these. It looks like there's 3 pans and 3 lids in there. So when I make the lasagna today, what I'll do is I'll just make 2 of these. I'll cook one for dinner tonight, and then the other one will go in the freezer for a later use. Okay, let me show you the meal plan. Okay, so again, not super fancy with the meal plan this week since I won't be here. Tonight I'm going to make lasagna with salad and garlic bread. Adam really likes lasagna, and it's been a long time since I've made it. I don't think I've made it since winter, and it sounded good, so I thought I would make that meal before I left. And then the rest of these meals they can have in any order they want. So I have fish sandwiches, chicken strips and waffle fries, hot dogs, mac and cheese, and SpaghettiOs. And then Friday, he'll probably either order pizza or take them out to eat. And then Saturday, I do not plan that far ahead. All right, so that is it for this week's Real Life Mom is Going Out of Town grocery haul and meal plan. I hope that you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.